Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to be installing 5 quick and easy mods that can really make your motorcycle stand out. We're going to be installing a new LED headlight, new turn signals to replace the OEM bulky ones, new grips and a new style, new sleeker mirror so you can see better and look better, and we're going to install new handlebars for a better riding position. These are quick and easy modifications that you can also do to transform your bike from a stock bike like this to a modded bike like this. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Again, I post every Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you missed any of the videos for my 1984 Nighthawk restoration, I'll put the playlist up on the screen. I'll also put the Honda CM450 Cafe Brat build time lapse because that's an awesome build. And lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.